the next one, if you have something serious happening, you go to another doctor and get a second opinion. Or you go to another lab and get a second opinion. Because it's very easy to make mistakes. Okay? So you are only going to use this row, and this row.
A,
okay?
B, and
A,
D, and G.
Now, the way you're running the test, you're not going to use any of the last 3 wells. You're only going to use 1 through 9.
1 through 9?
Don't put anything. I don't have very many chemicals. Again, don't put anything in the last 3 wells that you have. You understand what I say by well, right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Next. Okay. I already placed the paper towel.
Have something on your face.
Let me see if I can change to the I want to see if I can make it read better. I'm going to shut my light off and then I put it on for you guys to do it because I didn't realize that it stopped